Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the 7th puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Monday, September the 21st, 2020. We have here the first Tectonic, a Tectonic with 1 star. Alright, and this will be number 1583. Alright, so let's get started. And before I start, I'm looking a single box. I see here the single box. The single box is always the one. Do we have here also a duo box? Duo box. No, I see here a triple box. The triple box, yeah. 1, 2, and 3. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 2. So 1 digit left should be the 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes should be 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. That means that this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. I need a 1 and a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. Let me mark them. 2 and the 3. These 2 should be the 5 and the 2. 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. These. Wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 should be the 1 and the 3. Let me mark them. 1 and the 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 3. That means the other 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left. 1 digit left should be the 3. Then this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 4 and the 5. Let me mark them. 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 2. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 2 goes there. That means, oh no. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2, This should be a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Now we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 3. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 5 are left. 1 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. But we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be a 3. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 2. These, no. These 2 boxes can be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 2, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 3. The 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. 2, 4, 4. Yes. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box should be a 3. Cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Should be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, it's a 3. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left, 1 digit left in this area for the 4. The 1 and the 4 are left in this area. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 4 and the 3 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 more numbers left. The 2 and the 4, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Oh, right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Tectonic with 3 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.